Are you hungry? Fancy a takeaway? First, let's convert this range to a table. On the Design tab, we can choose a different style. We don't need banded rows. We don't need the filter buttons. But we can add banded columns to our table. In order to bring our menu to life, we're going to use slicers. Slicers are buttons that we can use to filter our data. Insert a few rows at the top. Click inside our table. On the Design tab, insert a slicer. We'll just be using the cuisine column. Have a look at the settings and remove the header. We can also change the layout for our slicers. Increase the number of columns. Change the height and the width for our buttons. And adjust the height and the width for the entire panel. Before we close this panel, I always like to tick this box here. On the Slicer tab, we can choose a different style for our slicers. And here it is, guys, our very own Excel takeaway menu. We can hold down the Control key to select multiple slicers. Would you like fries with that